Today's Kingstonist news is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union, Kingston's only locally owned union serving Kingstonians for over 65 years. KCCU, your community, your credit union. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines. Today, April 3rd, 2025. Just days into the spring season, City Council passed a motion that aims to get tougher on private property owners who take too long to fix their potholes through increased compliance and repair standards. City officials backed Councillor Wendy Stevens' complaint that private owners will often delay fixing potholes on their properties even after they've been notified by bylaw officers. The new motion, directed to staff by Stevens, proposes amendments that will require that any surface repair to driveways, parking lots, and walkways be consistent with the original material. A local resident is facing charges after smuggling contraband into Collins Bay Institution late last year. The OPP Joint Forces Penitentiary Squad was vague in describing the incident leading to the arrest, though police did note that an inmate and a CSC staff member were seemingly involved. The investigation culminated in the arrest of 36-year-old Tiana Ewan of Kingston in connection with the smuggling of contraband into the prison. According to the Frontenac County Detachment of the OPP, an officer was on patrol in the area of Perth Road Village on the night of Tuesday, April 1st, when they observed a vehicle traveling in the opposite direction, flashing their headlights several times. Police requested the driver, 46-year-old Stephen Coveney, provide a roadside breath test, which resulted in his arrest. Kingston City Council will wait another month before deciding whether to construct either a roundabout or a conventional signalized intersection at the entrance to a new housing subdivision on Highway 15. Council voted to defer the decision until the May 6th council meeting at the request of Pittsburgh District Councillor Ryan Boehm. The Summer Kickoff Music Festival, which brings together some of the best in local food, music, and drinks, is returning to South Frontenac Township this spring. The free, family-friendly event will be held at Centennial Park in Harrowsmith on Saturday, May 24th. South Frontenac shared that along with live local music, the event, which runs from 2 to 9 p.m., features a variety of local food, drink, and artisan vendors, and a kids zone, which will be open throughout the event. Kingston Police have released the above photo and requesting public assistance to locate the person pictured, missing 28-year-old Joey. According to police, Joey is also known to go by the name Luna and was last seen at approximately 6:15 a.m. on Wednesday, April 2nd, in the area of Bayswater Place and Queen Mary Road. Anyone with information regarding the whereabouts is asked to contact Detective Constable Brian McMillan via email at bmcmillan@kingstonpolice.ca. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com and subscribe. Use my code SARAHB2025 for 10% off.